start our Grand Canyon hike at the Bright Angel Lodge. Pick up our tickets, get ready to go. Let's get started. It's 1 mile down on a 7-mile path. There's my nephew PJ waiting for me.
That looks tough.
I agree. Look at the great vistas. We just got to stop, take some pictures. There's PJ waiting for me. Here's our Grand Canyon trails being maintained by volunteers from Germany, France, Netherlands, Austria, basically a group of European students. Continue on down this path. This path goes off a cliff. I'm ahead of PJ. How'd that happen? This is a pretty typical path here. What do you think?
I concur.
Actually, this is not as steep as many areas. There's one section where it dropped off on both sides. Just like you were standing on a peak. Get off the path, let the mules pass by.
Hello. How are you? Great.
The wind gets fierce, sporadic, changes directions. Sometimes I'm the one that's winded. Nice to know facilities are provided. Sometimes I just gotta sit down. Let's keep going. The Colorado, at last. Closer. Closer yet. Finally, the bridge. Phathom Ranch, our lodging for the next couple nights. Men's dorm, sleeps 10, snoring. Luxury cabin for the elite. Views from the bottom of the Grand Canyon. Freezing Colorado River. Get out quick. Running the Colorado River. Put that on the bucket list. Get up in the dark, have breakfast, and leave before the sun rises. Keep cool that way. We're expecting 8 to 12-hour travel. Even PJ has to stop and enjoy the spectacular views.
Uncle Jeff, ascending from the depths of the Grand Canyon. And he continues his journey through treacherous temperatures and terrain.
Ranger identified these birds as condors. He also identified these as Indian paintings. AJ, once again, waiting. Enjoying all the scenery. Almost to the top. There's the lodge at the top. Warning, do not go down and back up in one day. PJ did it twice. Back where we started. We're finished. Now it's time for a frozen margarita. The end.